What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got the Samsung Galaxy S24 right here in natural titanium. If you hear any bells in the background, that's my cat. But today I have right here the S View wallet case for the S24 Ultra, as well as the silicone right here. I'm trying to recall the color that I did pick up. It's like a light blue color. And it's like a very, very light blue color. So I'm going to get right into it and put it on the S24 Ultra and see how it is. This is my first time using an S View wallet case. So let's get right into it and take a look. Now, right off the bat, I'll tell you this. I personally am not a fan of the silicone cases. It never was with Samsungs, and I've used them for the S22, 23, and now I'm trying out for the S24. But I mean, if it's like a plasticky feeling in the inside. What I do like though is the individual camera cutouts, mainly because if you use a case without those camera cutouts, you can get dust in between the camera lenses, which is super duper hard to clean and gets very annoying. So I do appreciate that. And yeah, it definitely feels very silicone-y right on the outside. We're going to take a look at how clicky these buttons are. It has precise cutouts for the S Pen, for the speaker grill, and for USB-C. So let's go ahead and put it right on the S24 Ultra. There we go. And that's how it looks with the titanium gray color. Again, it has really precise, especially for that speaker grill, really precise cutouts. First impression feels a little, it's not the grippiest, so I don't know how great this will be to use over time. But I don't know, I just like, with a dark wallpaper, at least for me, and like the dark, very, very thin bezels around in this light case, I don't know how great I like this silicone case. And the camera lenses line up like they're flush. So if you drop this face down, these cameras are going to take a huge hit, where if you have a camera cutout within the case that's like raised up, then it's going to protect the camera lenses a little bit more. This is just straight up, like it's really just flat right across. And if it falls face down, then well, goodbye to your camera lenses. I don't think these are the most protective cases out there. Maybe just some scratches, wear and tear, but if it's anything like really heavy, especially if it falls face down or on its display or on its back, yeah, it's going to take a beating with the camera lens and that display. So overall, here's the look though. I personally don't like it. Maybe others may do, but that's just my take. We're gonna check how clicky the buttons are. Yep, buttons are pretty clicky. They don't really get in the way. There are some cases that are just like super hard, and like the buttons, they don't click. I don't know how else to explain it, but they don't really click with you. But we're gonna try out this S View wallet case. Again, I haven't used this for so long, and the 1245 has been their iconic time for quite some time, at least for their marketing time. So let's go ahead and put this aside. There's a whole thing of how to use it right here. But I haven't really been a fan of these types of cases either. And then at this point, you're probably asking, why'd you pick these out? Well, I don't know. I just wanted to try something new at least. But here's the thing. With this one, like the S View wallet, the last time I actually used this was with my Galaxy, or no, it was my LG G3. So the inside, it feels really good, and again, has individual camera cutouts, and it's an S View wallet case, so you can throw some of your cards in there. Yeah, I don't really know how I feel about closing that up and then lifting it up again, and like it's just like an extra step that I don't know. I personally am not a fan of, but it has some really nice extra premium feel to these buttons, and we're gonna see how clicky they are. Again, precise cutouts. Let's put it on. Let's put it on and see how it actually goes. There we go. So it fits in very well. And yeah, this one definitely works. Darker case with a darker phone. Looking at the back, again, it's really flush. It's lined up with the camera lenses of itself. And I love this individual camera, or the cutout for the lenses. It really protects the dust getting in between them. So good job, Samsung, on that note. But it makes the phone feel very bulky. I don't know, that's just not me. And here is the S View. So yeah, we get, you know, the time, we get no music playing, no notifications, and that's really it. I remember older cases, they were like much larger. There is a cutout for the speaker, and I'm assuming that if you get a phone call, you can probably just answer from here. I'm not entirely sure, but flip it open, there we go. So like I don't have, if you have a biometric scanner like the fingerprint sensor, I'm pretty sure it's going to bring up to lock screen to unlock, but here it is. Or if you use the face unlock. But since I don't at the moment, I just flip this open and it just unlocks right away. So it knows like you're flipping this open, you want to get into the phone, and there it is. And by the way, that's the AI generated wallpaper from Samsung. Absolutely love how it looks. But yeah, if you're more sophisticated and you don't really mind this like thick, bulky design, and you really want to use this S View and use it as a wallet, and there you go. But it's just not my style. But again, it's not too bad. This is really flimsy though. Now that I'm taking a look at it, this is really flimsy, and I wonder how durable this is going to be. How long this will last after a while. I don't know. That's just me. I'd probably want to go more of a leather type. That's me, or like a Kevlar aramid fiber type of thing. Again, that's just me, but here it is. Let me know what you think about this. If you did enjoy this video, definitely be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.